The very brief bullets of main ideas from the previous two lectures. In fact, we're beginning to get a feeling for the fact that the choices that we make, they're called designs or architectures, flow configurations, contrivances, so that the design space is not entirely up for grabs. It is to be recognized as a realm of the possible designs versus impossible, delineated by a very, very special population of perfect designs, the round tube, the square, which is the best quadrilateral shape, the regular hexagon, and so on. That regular hexagon is a round tube hammered equally from 6 sides. You see, that's what the regular hexagon is. You've never kicked a tin can down the pavement. It starts round, eventually it ends up hexagonal or octagonal. Anyway, these are the perfect or the perfection. And we also, by means of examples, we saw how in the vicinity of the best, there is a population of possible designs that are that perform at levels comparable with the best. And that special crowd that's coating the very narrow domain of the perfect, the very expensive domain of the perfect, is most valuable, because the imperfect that are good enough are a lot easier to configure, to invent, to grab and run with than the perfect. All of that is for each of you money in the bank. The lesson is that from this course you're endowed with the ability to expect opportunity, which is this elusive idea, but also what is palpable, easy to execute in the vicinity of it. So it's like out of this course you walk with a secret, the secret that you know what lies ahead. You see, this is known as the power to predict. That makes you very special, because almost everybody around you, especially the professors, are teaching you how to describe, how to observe, how to explain, meaning observation first, explanation later. Well, that's very useful, but a lot cheaper is to know it before you observe it. So that is, here's another prefix, des, pre, which means before, you see. Prescribe, predict. Well, anyway, today's lecture is not about that, but why not drop some words along the way.